But at any rate, let me get over here while I kind of cut the wind off a little bit. Damn wind. Messing this up. Indeed, where my windbreak? Come here, boy. Let your ass over here. This wind off this puppy. Now y'all look here at this thing. Burn. And it's burning pretty good. Pretty damn good. What's wrong back here? That's a tuna fish. Vanny sausage can. Holes cut in the top. Then the side at the bottom. Set on top of there like a chimney. And all your fire goes straight up to the bottom of your pot. It don't fan out. Y'all see that in there? Y'all see what that looks like? It's 1 ounce. Whew. You don't want to stick your hand in it. Now whether it's gonna ball that, I don't think it is. I think it's giving it that. But anyway. Oh. I'll show y'all what this is. That's just an aluminum can with a hole cut in it. That's all that is. Benny sausage can. Oh, my tongue's over here. And I'll show y'all. Damn thing, see this hot little ass over there. Look here. That's all it is. I just took a knife and did that. On the spur of the moment. Now, ideally, the can to have for this, and I had one. I don't know what happened to it. I need to make me that. The Beanie Weenie can is heavier. Because this'll burn out. It'll melt. It'll get that hot. Heard that in the water? That's hot water. Aluminum. But anyway, that's what you got here. You see the holes in it. Holes down here on the skirt. Holes in the top. Give you one hell of a good burn. Way more efficient. These silver fires. That's cat meow with your alcohol stove. I don't really think any kind of alcohol stove will work in here. It does very well. Thank y'all for watching again. I just want to show y'all that little trick. I'm gonna make another one. I'll show y'all. Make a good one. But on these little stoves like this, you let your imagination run wild. Now that chimney gets your heat up here. This is airflow. That's airflow. Very little flame ever comes out of here. It's all running out the top of this puppy. It's a tube. That's what it wants to do. That hot air, that hot wants to go up. And that puts it directly right on your pot. Little buddy. It's a beautiful thing. Thank y'all for watching again from the woods. Otaka. My brothers and sisters. Oh, the Lord has blessed us. My goodness gracious. Has he ever. Well, let me go. Thank y'all for watching again. We do appreciate it. Otaka from out in the woods at the hooch.